Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Witch's Bounty November 2021 box. This box was gifted to me, but the opinions are my own. So let's check it out. Ooh, look at how beautiful. Absolutely lovely. Ooh, and it smells nice. Wings of Isis is the theme, so let's see how that comes out. We've got a beautiful golden candle. I think it's a sparkly golden candle, but let me cut this open and see. Yes, beautiful sparkly candle, absolutely beautiful. Let's see what oil we got here. Royalty. Smell that. Ooh, it's sweet but kind of like sultry spice. Higher Mind. A necklace. Ooh, I think we've got some amber here. It's because it's really light. Pretty, pretty. Alright, let's see it. Much excite. Oh my goodness gracious. And it's upside down. Pretty, 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 pretty. Oh my gosh. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. Sterling silver, lapis lazuli, spiny oyster. Just absolutely phenomenal. Wow. Let's read about this. In addition to the many benefits of magic and spellcrafting, we find true power, strength, and confidence in all that we do. It is important to know that this is not power over others, but power over our circumstances through patience, connection, energy shifting, and manifestation. Within this power, we can find the wisdom to keep going, to make difficult and appropriate decisions, and to have an impact on the lives of others. When we step into our power and are confident in our abilities, we stand as a beacon to those that may find confusion surrounding them. In this very special collection, we draw upon our personal power to find strength and purpose on our magical journey through life. So, gold-plated lapis lazuli and spiny oyster shell Isis pendant. There is truly an overwhelming amount of mythology surrounding the great goddess Isis. Known as the goddess of magic and wisdom, sky goddess, universal goddess, goddess of kingship and protection, and great mother goddess, Isis brings with her the true nature of the divine feminine. So it does go on a bit about her specifically. There's quite a bit of information about this. She sits on the lapis lazuli stone, known for its ability to grant access to higher spiritual guidance and wisdom. Allows for broader perspective. Transformative. Spiny oyster shell, revered for its healing and empowering qualities. And the wings of Isis have been plated with gold to embody the royalty and reverence that Isis carries with her. Wow. Royalty magical anointing oil. Confidence and strength. This whole box is giving me Leo vibes, just for the record. Orange patchouli and amber, as well as rose calendula and orange peel herbs with a mini Lurarian quartz. Yum. Higher Mind ritual incense. Shining Straith spell candle. That's beautiful. A blue amber specimen. Wow. Blue amber. Carry the stone with you throughout the day. Place upon your arm to promote positivity. Draws away negative energies and thought patterns. And the Isis Book of Shadows artwork. This is phenomenal. This box is so pretty. I'm so excited. Let's take a closer look at this. Wow. Just absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then just one more glance at this. It is just absolutely stunning. So pleased. I'm so grateful. Wow. This candle's really pretty too. I don't even like yellow that much, but just like it's giving off such just like, I don't know, awesome, attractive to me energy, which makes sense because I'm a Leo and it feels really, the strength and the confidence vibes are totally my jam. Love it. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. There's a lot of content coming because if you've been watching my channel, you know I've got some projects going through, but I'm super excited to share it with you guys, so stay tuned. A couple things coming up, just so you know, is my 2021 planner review, along with starting to review all the 2022 planners that I've already purchased. And I have like a huge stack of decks that I need to go through too, that I want to review with you guys. Anyways, I love you guys so much. I hope you have a wonderful day. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.